Debpriya. You're watching me on femina.in. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'm gonna create this minimalist makeup look for office purpose. Let's watch the video to know more.
Hey, let's get started with the minimalistic makeup look. So first, I'm gonna prepare my skin with cleaning. So I'm cleaning my skin with rose water. It will hydrate your skin. Now I'm gonna apply lip scrubber. I'm scrubbing my lips. And now I'm applying lip balm to moisturize my lips. Now I'm applying my aloe vera gel. I have added a bit of vitamin C tablets, which will give you a bit of better result in the end of the 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna apply CC cream. So CC cream has HPF, which will protect your skin from. And as I'm creating a basic office look, it's very much required to prepare your skin with HPF. So CC cream is the best. I'm not going to use any foundation here. So I have prepared my skin with CC cream. Now I'm going to apply setting spray. I'm going to give it 10 minutes just to get settled in the skin. After that, I'm going to start off with rest of the makeup. So my skin is set now. I have given like almost 10 minutes. Now I'm just applying a bit of compact. So my compact is set. Now I'm started with the eyebrow. So first I'm gonna take a bit of lighter shade in the front of the eyebrows. And then I'm gonna take a dark brown shade part of the eyebrow. Just wipe off whatever extra it is coming. Now I'll start off with my mascara. I'll do it from down to upwards. Now upwards to downwards. And then lower lashes. I have taken a bit of blush. Looking like a sun-kissed blush. So as you can see, my face is looking a bit of sun-kissed and a bit of shimmer. It's an office look, as I said, guys, so you should not apply too much shimmer in it. So don't apply too much shimmer. It's a very basic over here. You can see it's just in the tip of your nose and a bit of in your cheekbones. Now I'm applying the last part of it, which is lipstick. And yeah, I have made the lipstick very lighter one. I'm applying a bit of lip balm to just keep it very natural. So my lips doesn't hurt too much. It's a very basic pinkish look which is creating, and it is looking really natural as well and pretty. Now I'm gonna set up my hair. So I have taken a bit of aloe vera gel to keep and like my hair middle partitioned. I am applying a bit of aloe vera gel in the front to set my hairs properly so that it will give you, as you can see, I have applied all the aloe vera gel all over my hair and it is giving a very neat and tidy look. I am applying a bit of aloe vera gel in the back as well. Now I'm gonna tie up my hair with a very basic black rubber band.